Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Lost Ring. A moral story: never judge people by their outer look. A prince was walking through his kingdom when he saw a girl. Her head was covered, but she had the most beautiful hands. He tried to stop her, but she got scared and ran away. The prince followed her. In the chase, she dropped her ring. The prince picked up the ring instantly. He announced, "I will marry the girl whose ring finger this fit." Beautiful girls from many kingdoms came to the palace to try the ring. But the ring did not fit on anyone's finger. All the girls were disheartened. The prince began to lose hope. One day, while sitting in his palace, he ordered tea. When a maid began to serve him tea, he recognized her hands. He immediately took out the ring and asked her to try it. "It fits on your finger. I will marry you," he said. They married and lived happily ever after.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.